Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's begin with the index Nifty. Nifty continued to feel pressure around 15,000 levels. It has closed in a red zone for the third consecutive trading session. Index has slipped back into the range after it failed to sustain above the major support of 14,900 levels. 14,600 will be acting as an initial support level. Bulls needs to defend that to resume its journey towards the north direction. Index above 14,750 will continue to move towards 14,850-950 levels, and above 950 will ensure the continuation of a bullish momentum towards 15,150 levels. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. We could witness more pressure in Bank Nifty comparing to the Nifty, as index closed by approx 2% down comparing to the Nifty's 1% for the week. For now, index is holding the major support of 32,000 levels. Index has closed below the support of 20 EMA, indicating that index gradually moving towards in a bearish momentum. A negative crossover could be witnessed in RSI, indicating weakness in index. If it fails to hold the support of 32,000 levels, then index may continue to move towards 31,200 level. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty FMCG index. On daily scale, index has come out of a long week consolidation. A strong bullish candle will be witnessed at the short-term major support of 20 and 50 EMA. RSI is gradually moving towards the north direction, indicating good strength in index. So we expect index above 34,800 levels to move towards 35,300 levels. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which I am going to talk about is CDSL. On daily scale, stock is forming higher high, higher low formation. It has performed a range breakout. A good volume could be witnessed on a bullish candle, indicating accumulation of stock. Stock continue to trade along with the support of a 20 EMA. RSI is moving towards the north direction with a positive crossover, indicating good strength in stock. So we expect stock above 835 levels to continue with the bullish momentum towards 950, and above that it will move towards 970 levels. Moving on towards the next stock, that is Infosys. After hitting all-time high of 1477 level, stock went into a corrective mode as it was trading in a overbought zone. After hitting lower levels of 1320 levels, stock trading in a range of 1370-1320 levels. Now looking into the chart, stock failed to sustain above the major support of 1320 levels. So we expect stock below 1320 to continue with its bearish momentum. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a profitable week ahead.